Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge and we're on week 19. And our prompts today is architecture. So I've got this plantation home. Something with wings. I've got assorted birds and butterflies. A bumpy surface. I've got this waterfall where it's falling along the bumpy path. Coin or currency. I've got this, it's a tract, so I'm going to use it. It looks like $1 million bill. Be nice, wouldn't it? Black and white. I've got these black and white images of ladies. And this also has wings. I'm not sure what I'll use. And the bonus is squiggles, and I'll just have to wait and see what I'll do with that. So I hope everybody's doing great. I hope your weekend was wonderful. So without further ado, let's get started. here we go. Here's our finished project. We have got architecture, something with wings, bumpy surface, coin or currency, it's fake, black and white. I've got these images, and I swapped that one out. I just thought she looked much better. And squiggles, and I just did gold squiggles in the background. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure to check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP19 to see what everyone else has made. So, y'all have a great week. And until next time, bye y'all.